Hello guys, and welcome to another David Zambaleta. My name is Serge, and in today's video I want to show you how to set up a doorbell with the camera. And if anybody rings the doorbell, you will see who it is right there, right in your smartphone. So the app is available for both Android and Apple. I got this at Walmart, paid 40 bucks for it, $39.99, and it says it was $199. So I don't know. Looks like it does have a couple mounting screws. It's got a cable. Interesting. That looks like a microphone. So here's a mounting plate. Here's a little jig where to mount things. You opened it up and boom, you could see that. Okay, so there's these things on it. Let's go ahead and peel them off. It's nice, it's clean. I don't know why that would be necessary, but anyways, it's a nice big round doorbell button that you just press right there. In the back there is a reset button, and additionally what looks to be like a USB port here. So let's see if I could actually open this up. Yeah, it appears to me like there's a USB type C plug right there. Maybe it's because you need to charge it up at first. Usually these things have batteries, but I guess you could also, use the provided USB cable in case you want to actually have this thing plugged in. Maybe. Apparently this says indoor doorbell unit. So if this is plugged in somewhere in a USB outlet, apparently it's going to ring like a doorbell. So that's interesting. It appears to me like you just charge this up. Looks to me like a sealed system. Hey guys, apparently this has a built-in battery. So you just charge it up and you hang it. So that's actually how it's done, which is kind of cool. I just don't know if it comes, like charged and stuff. And see, I'm gonna just like open this up, and I'm gonna, gonna hit power here. There's a power button and a reset button. See, the big button is the power button right there. So I'm gonna just hold it. Okay, it looks like it came on. Kind of cool. So now that it's on, I'm ready to go ahead and mount this thing. Okay, so we're gonna need to choose a location where it's gonna be best. Here's a doorbell, and I'm kind of thinking, we mount it right here, parallel to the doorbell. The camera's gonna work just fine. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna use construction screws, and we're just gonna like place it like right there. I really don't need tape. It's cool that they provided tape, but it's completely unnecessary. All right, so to install the doorbell, what you're gonna need to do is you hang it like this, and now that it's installed. How do you remove it? Well, to remove it, you gotta, let's see. Since you install it this way, you gotta kind of push up on it to remove it, because this little lever it inserts like that, the little plastic piece. So you just kind of like align it to where like you could go down like this, like that. That's done. And then you know, pull up on it. Let's see. But anyways, there it is, it's working. Apparently they have the QR code for the downloading the app, but over here, they want you to basically search for it. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the App Store. Cam. Vigil. And looks like this is the one. And now it's downloading. Gonna go ahead and open it and set it up. Now that I have my account, it actually has me do the first thing, and it's to power on the device. The device is already powered on, so let's go to the next step.
Press the doorbell button and then proceed to the next step.
Now we're gonna need to press the doorbell button. Okay, doorbell button's pressed.
Please reset the device.
Now it wants me to reset it. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the device. I'm hitting the reset button. Okay, I'm hitting next.
Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password of the device. Maintain a distance of approximately 15 to 25 centimeters and ensure you...
Now connecting. Please wait. Device addition succeeded.
And now the setup is done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more videos. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.